Dear students, today we are learning renewable energy source, energy sector in India. Renewable energy can be replaced conventional fuels in the district areas like electricity generation, water heating, space heating, motor fuels and rural energy services. Wind technology is playing important role in generation of electricity. Now let us see how it works and what are the future scope. Wind energy. India has great potential of wind energy to protect as an alternate source of energy. Electricity can be generated from wind power by converting the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical energy utilizing wind turbines. The energy in the wind is utilized to turn propeller shaped blades around a rotor, which, when connected to the main shaft, can spin a generator to produce electricity. The power that can be extracted theoretically from wind is proportional to the cube of its velocity. So power is directly proportional to V cube. V is velocity of the wind and energy generated depends on wind speed and rotor size of the turbine. Wind energy is regarded as means of saving fuel by injecting power into the electrical grid and to run wind power plant in conjunction with pump storage plant. Wind power has applications to rotate machinery to do physical work such as crushing grain or pumping water and has application to desalinate water. The estimation of the potential wind resource in India is 102788 megawatt accessed at 8 meter of height. The installed capacity of wind power in India was 22,645 megawatt as of 30 March 2015. The target set for wind power generation capacity is 60,000 megawatt by the year 2022. The preliminary assessment along the 7,600 km along Indian coastline have indicated prospects of development of offshore wind power as the wind speed offshores are usually higher and speedier.